Hey everyone, welcome to another ukulele finger picking lesson. This time we're going to work with some flamenco techniques. We're going to learn a Spanish theme for Malagueña. Now in a moment I'm going to share with you the tablature right here on the screen and take you through how to play the melody with your thumb and two very cool flamenco variations. Right now let me demonstrate what the whole piece sounds like. Starts with the main theme. Other fingers are added. And now the triplet. What's so cool about learning these patterns is that once they become part of your technique, you can use them in so many different ways. And so forth and so on. So let's get started right now. I'm going to share with you the tablatures right here on the screen. If you'd like to get a printable version of it, click the links down below to join as a member. And don't forget, I've created an entire course all about fingerstyle. And at the end of that course, you learn a whole Spanish solo. Click here anytime during the video or in the pinned comment below if you want to get access to that online course all about fingerstyle. The main theme is picked with the thumb and it's based around these two chord shapes. A major and B flat major 7. B flat major 7 is the 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret, and open. Now just get the sense of what these two chords sound like. So lovely. Very evocative of Spain. Now the melody is picked with the thumb, and what you'll be doing is picking around these chord shapes. As you play this, make it sing and get a full sound by using a rest stroke with your thumb. See how my thumb rests on the next string? It's not resting with a lot of tension, it's just coming to rest. And you get a lot of volume and tone by using a rest stroke. I've got two more patterns to share with you. The next one is where we alternate the open A string in between each melody note. Now you can do this in a number of ways. You can do it just with two fingers. See how I'm alternating between the thumb and the index. You could also do that just thumb and middle. But the best way to play this, the way that's really going to let you grow, is to train yourself to alternate the top fingers. So you'll see I play thumb, middle, thumb, index, thumb, middle. So you see how I was alternating the top strings. Now, it's no sweat if you break the alternation, but it is a nice technique to cultivate. So let's practice this right now. I'll be alternating thumb, middle, thumb, index. This eventually leads to greater speed. As you apply this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Over time, it'll become so much more easier to do this. It does take some focus. PMPI, PMPI, and eventually you just focus on these two alternating. And when you get a handle on this technique, check it out. I'm using it over C. Opens up so many cool finger picking textures for you to explore. I still have one more pattern to share with you, the Triplet Tremolo, such a cool pattern. Thanks for hanging out and watching. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Click the subscribe button so you keep in the loop of every time I put up a new video. And definitely check out the link in the description and the pinned comment and right here for a link to a very cool course I created all about fingerstyle, and at the end of that course you learn a whole Spanish solo. So it's very cool. Be sure to check out at the link below. Now the triplet tremolo is a little tricky, but once you get the hang of following through with the fingers, it's not so hard. What you're doing is holding down your A chord, and you're going to be playing now 2 notes in between each melody note. So you pick thumb, and then middle index on the top string, thumb, middle index, thumb, middle index. Now that's just the choreography of it. The rhythm is a triplet, so we want to play an evenly spaced triplet. Triplet, triplet. And it's very good to do this slow at first. Make sure you feel relaxed and you're following through the strings. The power of the tremolo, the sustained sound of the two notes on top, is all about the evenness of the division. So make sure you're hearing a clear triplet. Now I offer so many more tips and tricks in that course I just mentioned. You can click this card anytime to learn about it. Following through and relaxing is a key to getting a good relaxed tone. Let's practice the whole tremolo section right now. 1, 2, 3. Everyone. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pick up the speed a little bit, try to listen for that even triplet and that the melody is connected to one another. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And here's another view, close-up of my picking hand. 1, 2, 3. See, it's following through. Really following through, very relaxed hand. Now there's so much more to this piece, Malagueña, than this main theme, but this is a super cool way of practicing the picking techniques, getting them under your fingers, and learning a sweet piece of music at the same time. Let's practice it one more time, a little faster. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great time putting these techniques into your playing. Thanks for watching. Check the links down below, and we'll make music again sometime soon. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.